Okay guys, today we're dining at the hilltop Nong in Krabi, Thailand. As you can see, a very nice view. This is actually a really nice restaurant on top of a hill. The road getting up here is a little bit of an adventure, but doable. Beautiful place, not that busy when I was there, but the food was delicious. The view not so bad, would be better with a nice sunset. Here's inside the restaurant. As you can see, live music. A very nice place actually. I can't remember what I paid for the food here, but it was reasonable. At least that's what I thought at the time. Here's what I had. I have a fruit salad with shrimp, steamed barramundi, and some soft shell crab with a whole lot of garlic. And believe it or not, the best of the three was the fruit salad. It was absolutely delicious. There we go.
I say, what's your name, guys? Say, Sick.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah, this welcome just help the same. You find a shadow here. You find a shadow here. Stay with me.
A lot of lemon. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. So much garlic. Soft shell crab. Okay guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one. One last look around.